Alright, so this is the damage after 2 days. Yesterday, I shoveled, and I didn't really get this much done. This was mainly the township who did this, but what I was able to do was only make sure that my mom's car right there could get out. And my friend Daywalker, he was stuck in the snow, so we had to dig around, and we made one line right down to here. And apparently last night, they actually came with snow plows, and I think they had a bobcat, and did all this. So now we have walls and walls of snow all around the neighborhood. Walls at 10 times, not 10 times, I'm not over-exaggerating that, but they're bigger than me. And I'm about, like, 6 foot. So, this right here, I would say, is our monument. Monument of the block. Most of this is snow from around the cul-de-sac right here. Just going around. Just one thing that I don't get, or how we're supposed to get, is the mail. They didn't plan that out so well. Anyways, this is all of the damage of the 2011 Chicagoland blizzard. The damage has been done. Now we just need to have it melt. My neighbor's looking at me awkwardly, and I think it's pretty funny. One thing I do kind of like about this, though, I will show you right now. Going up to my front door, I have these nice, awesome walls. Perfect from hiding from your mother and such. Yeah, this is 2011 blizzard damage. I shall be coming back with drum covers soon. I'm working on it as I speak right now, but probably as you're watching this. I'm practicing 3-4 hours a day, making sure everything goes perfect for you guys. So, this is Blakester 100. My hair is probably terrible because I just woke up and I saw everything and I thought it was pretty awesome, so I was like, hey, YouTube video. Yes. Oh, one more thing I should show you. My drum kit, or drum set, I should say. I don't technically have the kit, but it was in this room right here. It used to be right here, but since we're trying to sell the place, we had to move everything around. So now it is in my room. I also have a new bed. This chair used to be over there, and there was never enough room for my kit. Just a quick run through. Yes, I know I have purple sticks. I did not buy them. I don't know what happened when I had the pair, so I'm forced to use these. Nice size snare. Remo Weather King. Got some Evans EC2 heads. Standard sizes. Another Remo Weather King. My bass drum. DW 7000 double bass pedals. Over here, got a new Sabian BA crash ride, 18 inches. This here's I beat this thing crap. It is a Sabian 18-inch B8 China. Over here, I don't know if these are main brand, probably not, because I've never heard of them and they are crappy. Either way, Starcaster. This is sponsored by Thunder, actually. Don't get them, they are crap, but this is all I can afford. 16-inch Starion, I would say, Starion series crash. Again, Starcaster, Fender. I want to say again, 16-inch. Should be a crash, but it sounds terrible, so I kind of use it as a mini China. Sticks, again, I didn't buy these, but main kind of sticks I use are Vaders. These are 5As. Mainly I use Vader 5Bs, but as you can see I don't have a clear set because they all break. Because I kind of... Oh, here's my other sticks. I kind of beat them all to crap. Right now, the 5Bs I have, because these are the only 5Bs in the set, are Vic Firths, American Classic 5Bs. And here's my old crash. This is the reason why I never made videos for a while. This is my old BA crash, Sabian. This is what happened. This gradually got worse and worse, and I wasn't able to make any covers because I didn't want them all sounding like crap. And oh yeah, obviously, if you could tell in my videos before, it's a Mapex. It's a Venus series. And yeah, this is my kit. Oh, also two things that I didn't mention in our show. I got a cowbell and a woodblock, which you can hear and see me using in my Second Heartbeat cover, which I think is my best cover on YouTube other than my Burn It Down, because I spent a lot of time on Second Heartbeat. It's my favorite song off of Waking the Fallen, other than Eternal Rest and Chapter 4, which I may also be putting in cover up once I get, again, I have to work it all the way down to the fact I can play it perfectly. So, yeah. Another thing which is keeping me from making videos is my PA. Now, sure, you say, oh, look, he has a PA, it's freaking awesome. Yeah, unfortunately, that speaker is blown out, 100% gone. This one still works perfectly fine. These are customs, by the way, customs. I don't know what brand or series. This is what's keeping me from doing everything. This piece of crap right here that overheats after one song. So yep, this is my updates. Videos I'll definitely be coming out with are God Hates Us, God Hates Us by Avenged Sevenfold, Give Me Half by The Devil Wears Prada, The Heretic Anthem by Slipknot, Bat Country by Avenged Sevenfold, Almost Easy by Avenged Sevenfold, and just to keep it a 100% pure fucking metal string going, I don't know how to say exactly, but I'm gonna do Hell Yeah by Hell Yeah. Yes, that's a self-titled song by that kick-ass band. Yep, this is Blakester 100. See ya.